How to remove the autosave button in Microsoft Word. Please like the video and consider subscribing if this helps. So we're going to do this in 2 steps. Step number 1 is to right click on autosave to the top left of Microsoft Word and then simply click remove from quick access toolbar. But we're not done here. We also have to turn off the autosave option in the cloud. And we do this by clicking on File. Once here, click on Options to the bottom left. And then go to the Save tab. And then uncheck autosave files stored in the cloud by default in Word. So what this means is you will not have autosave on. Autosave does not store in the cloud by default. So for all intents and purposes, autosave is now turned off. If we go back to the options here, we can see that auto recover is still on. It just means that autosave is not going to be autosaving your files in the cloud by default. So autosave will be turned off and the button is also gone. Obviously, if you want to save in the cloud, then keep it on, but the button here is no longer there.